Imagine walking past a plain, standard QR code. It feels clinical, robotic, and completely detached from the product it sits on. It whispers for attention, but most people just walk right past it. The problem goes deeper than bad design. The moment you print a specific date, a roster, or a schedule onto fabric or paper, that object begins a slow countdown to obsolescence. For small and medium businesses, this creates a constant cycle of waste. Tournaments end, sponsors change, and suddenly boxes of expensive, carefully printed merchandise are completely useless. This leaves organizations caught in an expensive trap. They either display outdated information or they endure a continuous, draining cycle of physical reprint costs. Maltix takes a different approach by merging physical items with digital interfaces, a concept known as Phygital. They wrap the core technology inside high-contrast, context-rich call-to-action frames that tell the user exactly what they will get if they scan. Replacing a naked code with a clear visual frame eliminates hesitation, guaranteeing an 80% increase in scan rates. Behind the scan, notice how the frame separates from the data cloud. The permanent physical object is completely divorced, making the digital destination infinitely updatable. This open web bridge connects the physical object to a dynamic interface that updates instantly, removing the need for users to download heavy, expensive applications. The system relies on a permanent tactile anchor, like an intelligent QR code or an NFC chip, paired with what Maltix calls Lara's e-cards, which serve as the flexible, cloud-based destination. Let's look at how this works on a golf course. A golfer scans the permanent code embedded on their polo shirt sleeve in the morning, and the interface immediately loads the daily tee times and green fees. By the afternoon, clubhouse management updates the backend. That exact same physical code on the shirt now directs anyone who scans it to live tournament leaderboards or the evening dinner menu. By decoupling the print from the information, apparel remains relevant across seasons. This significantly reduces the financial burden of replacing physical assets just to update specific details. Dynamic cloud control alters the economic lifecycle of merchandise, turning items that used to perish into permanent, self-updating assets. This logistical convenience takes on serious weight when we move from adult leisure sports to junior football leagues. Clubs apply a permanent QR frame to the sleeve of a child's training kit. Instead of a schedule, this code links directly to an individual in case of emergency profile. If a player is injured during a chaotic away match, a coach or first aider can instantly scan that specific player's sleeve to access real-time emergency contacts, medical disclosures, and allergy information. This sensitive data is managed securely and updated instantly by the parents via the cloud. In critical moments, the frictionless bridge between physical gear and digital data becomes a vital safety mechanism. There is a hidden business utility running silently behind every one of these user experiences. Every interaction with a Phygital asset generates a seamless, trackable data-sharing event. This diagram shows the network effect of digital contact sharing. Traditional business cards are crumpled, lost, or outdated the moment they are handed out. Phygital e-cards allow prospects to download up-to-the-minute contact details straight to their phone's address book with a single, satisfying tap. Following the data string down the funnel, we see the automated lead capture process. Rather than forcing staff to manually enter data after a busy event, the open web interface seamlessly gathers user permissions, contact details, and engagement metrics on the spot. This captured data flows directly into the business's customer relationship management software in real time, powering a fully automated sales pipeline without any extra administrative work. This level of sophisticated data management is usually reserved for large corporations. Maltix brings these tools to small and medium enterprises by removing the need for high-cost custom app development. By merging tactile physical items with automated workflows, passive objects become the front door to a living, highly secure digital ecosystem.